Now for the number five, list doctors who assign and surgeries generating at least 50% of their department's total surgery revenue. So for the select doctor ID, first name and last name, then some operation costs as doctor revenue, then department ID and department name from doctor, then join doctor details on doctor ID equals doctor details ID. Then another join for department on department no for doctor ID equals department ID. Then the last join is operation details on doctor ID equals operation cost. Then group by doctor ID, first name and last name, and department ID, and the last one is department name. Then having some operation cost, uh, select 0.5 some operation cost. Then from operation details, uh, we're going to use join on doctor's details on operation team ID equals of doctor ID, where doctor ID equals doctor type ID. Then for run in mana siya ang output for atong number 5. So that's it.